This week's lesson is all about advanced motion tweens. So I wanted to share with you a project that I created to get you started. As you can see here, I have a car, a Bitmoji, and a type layer. You can see I have the items broken apart on individual layers. As I click, you can see I do have the wheel broke apart, and when I double click, I can see the tween that was applied to that wheel, and you can see the movement up and down as I scrub through the timeline. Notice where the keyframes are located. When I double click, the motion editor opens and I'm able to do some fine-tune editing to those tweens. And remember, those anchor points on that chart there indicate the keyframes. I can also add eases. These are kind of pre-made animations. There are some fun ones in here. I'd encourage you to experiment with these. As I click on one, you'll see the chart change to show the motion that will be applied. So this is the spring ease. Clicking back in the motion editor, you can see that that has been applied on the x-axis. This is a fast way to add some simple animation to your project. Back to my main timeline. And as I play this, by testing the animation, you can see the movement. So I have a movie clip for the wheels, a movie clip for the car, and in the movie clip for the car, notice that my Bitmoji moves along with the car. So initially when I created this, I did the animation for the car. What I did is added the Bitmoji on a separate layer, and I used the parent-child feature. You can see it's located up at the top there. And when I make the car be the parent and the Bitmoji be the child will move with the car. Little renaming there, and notice that Animate has a naming scheme that it wants to follow, so it will suggest how to change if you do name it incorrectly. All right, let's go back to the main timeline. So let's get started with this project. I'm going to share with you a time lapse of a similar version to help you get started with this week's project.